Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where new tabs are not opening or loading in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows and the browser. So how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Other than this, search for Chrome and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and click on about Chrome. The next one is to update the browser extensions. Okay, I would say rather disable the browser extensions, don't update them. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and select manage extensions. So if you find any problematic extension here, like this one, first try disabling it and check if it helps. And if it helps, then simply remove it because that is a problematic extension. The next one is to clear the browser cache. And how would you do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then click on history once again. Click on delete browsing data and then select delete data. The next one is to reset or repair the browser. Okay, and how would you reset and repair the browser? Now click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and select settings and then click on reset settings. Click on restore settings to original defaults and then click on reset settings. And finally reinstall the browser. While this is not required, but if you are facing problems, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and then scroll down to Chrome, click on the three dots associated with it, uninstall and then uninstall it to remove it completely. Okay. Now once this has been done, the next thing that you have to do is open any browser and search for Chrome download. Okay, and then click on download Google Chrome and then click on download Chrome and then click on open. Okay, and then click on Chrome setup and it will start reinstalling Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.